In this video, we'll show the 5 best drill bit for brick on the market that will help you to choose best one for you. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. QWORK 5 PC's multi-material drill bit set. With their carbide coating and aggressive design, these drill bits are a worthy option for boring through brick, concrete, and even glass. The spear-like tip easily penetrates masonry, allowing for precise hole drilling in brick, tile, marble, and even granite. The carbide coating adds durability, ensuring these drill bits will hold up to repeated use. A wide U-shaped groove around the shaft removes dust quickly, preventing clogging around the bit and enabling faster drilling. This set includes 5 different size drill bits, including a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch bits, as well as a convenient plastic storage case. Number 2. OWL Tools 10-piece masonry drill bit set. With an easy-to-use process, you can surely go for this 10-piece masonry drill bit set from OWL Tools. These are multi-material drill bits. You get a chrome-plated bit with a carbide tip. You can use them for construction or other related services that require drilling. They will quickly work on brick to provide you friction drilling. The storage case might be small, but it is enough to keep all your concrete drill bits set organized. With a variety of sizes available, you can do a variety of work using the bits. Number 3. COMOWARE masonry drill bit set. This is the best multipurpose drilling bit set that comes with convenient packaging. It is the COMOWARE masonry drill bit set. The bit set is perfect for any kind of concrete. It speeds up the drilling process while preventing any slipping. Meanwhile, the 2-flute design clears out the debris while you drill using the best masonry drill bits. And not just masonry, those bits are best for working on surfaces like brick, concrete, and even rock. But you must be precise and careful when you are working on harder materials. Number 4. BOSCH IMC 500 5-piece impact MultiConstruction drill bit set. This is a multifunction drilling bit that has various use. It's the BOSCH IMC 500 5-piece impact MultiConstruction drill bit set. In this bit set, you will get 5 different concrete drill bits. They all share the same quality and durability that will provide you with higher reproducibility. What makes it stand out is its versatility. You can use the drill bits on various surfaces. From the masonry surface to brick, stone, plastic, and others, all can be drilled through using them. The drilling bits feature hex shanks that make them work on hammer drills or drivers alike. Number 5. Makita 5-piece SDS-Plus drill bit set. Drilling through stone puts drill bits to the test, often wearing them down quickly. While these drill bits from Makita are more expensive than other masonry drill bit sets, they feature a thick tungsten carbide tip that won't wear quickly, giving them a longer life than most. Each bit includes a wide spiral flute that bores evenly and quickly through stone, concrete, and brick. It comes with 5 bits, ranging in size from 3/16 inch to 1/2 inch. The bit shanks work with rotary hammer drills that have at least a 7/8 inch chuck size. An included plastic bit case provides convenient storage.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.